Hi, and welcome to TRP Today. I'm Matt.
And I'm Rachel.
Today we're really excited to show off the new TRP Coolant Maintenance Kit.
Of course we are, because you know that using this kit can ensure a truck's cooling system is fully protected to keep it up and running.
So let's take a look at what we have here.
Well, Matt, the first step is to measure the freeze point. We'll use the refractometer, which is the only accurate way to measure the freeze point of coolant.
This measurement will confirm the right concentration of glycol, which is extremely important since glycol levels determine the freeze point, the number one physical property of the coolant.
Exactly. The second step is to use the pH test strips to determine your coolant's pH level.
All coolants should maintain a stable pH between 8 and 10. If a coolant's pH drops below 7, then it becomes acidic, which can lead to corrosion of the entire coolant system.
That's very true, Matt, but also if the pH becomes too high. That can be a sign that a pre-charge filter is still in use. Coolant that is too basic with a pH above 10 can damage gaskets, so a pH check is a great way to locate any potential issues with the coolant system.
Now, on to step 3, nitrite test strips.
Right. These strips measure the nitrite level, which can prevent cylinder liner pitting in older engines. That brings us to our final step, the carboxylate test.
Carboxylate test strips are designed to measure carboxylate levels to ensure you have adequate extended life protection with the right levels of organic acid inhibitors.
Well, I think that covers it for this episode of TRP Today.
Thanks for watching. For more information on TRP parts and ordering,
Please visit trpparts.com.